Alright, what's going on, guys? We're back here making another video, and today I'm showing you something I've been doing for years now. Every time I get a set of wheels and tires, and the tires are all nasty and gross like these are, I always use this stuff. And it seems like no one really knows about this, so this is the stuff. It's called Hot Rims Wheel and Tire Cleaner. You can get it at any auto parts store. They always have it. And as you can see, look at these tires. They're all nasty and cracked. And pretty much tires always get like this, but that doesn't mean they're bad. That just means they just look old. So what we're gonna do is spray them down with this stuff and pretty much totally just soak the whole tire in it like this. And then once we're done, we're gonna pressure wash them. And we're also doing this set of wheels right here, so you can check these out. But here we go. We're gonna spray these down, and we're also gonna spray down this set of wheels as well.
Look at what that looks like.
And I don't know, you can already see the stuff coming off. So let's spray these down, and you guys are gonna see the results. So let's get to it. Little race. He's doing that wheel, I'm doing this wheel.
Who's gonna get it? I gotta get where I can get both y'all. All right, ready, set, go. Whose looks better, Judas?
Quality, not quantity.
Judas is kind of coated in that. Like David's got some lines.
Come on, look at these lines, boy. All right, now let's see who can wax my Corvette the fastest. You ready? Alright guys, so that is a wrap. It's all done, so check out the results. Like I said, this stuff, honestly, it's one of my detailing secrets. I've been detailing for a while now, and really no one knows about this stuff, even though they sell it at auto parts stores. But I mean, look at the tires. They look brand new. I mean, they even get softer from the stuff. I don't know what the cause is, but they go from being like hard, like crusty tires to being like nice, you know, new rubber, pretty much. So check out these two. As you can tell, there is some spots that it doesn't look good, and that's because I didn't put the spray on that, but I really don't care about these wheels. I'm just selling them. If you want to do a second coat and pressure wash again, they'll look even better. So that's always a good idea if you like really care about your wheels. Like I didn't even, like this stuff all comes off if I got in there with soap and water, but this is literally just pressure wash and that spray. So that's a wrap, and I hope you learned something today, and I guess go try this stuff out for yourself. So thanks for watching, and please subscribe, and I'll catch you guys at the next video. Peace.